Hey guys, okay, so workflow. This is what we're going to get focused in on. This workflow is two simple steps. It's going to help you to turn your client feedback into awesome stories that you can use on social media. So this is a really easy two-step process. So the first thing you need is your feedback. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a group of people, as long as it's the same product and service, or whether it's just one feedback form. So I'm using feedback from my last hybrid training, which was helping coaches, consultants, and therapists to create their Q1, their first quarter, their marketing plan. So those testimonials are coming back, the feedback's coming back. So I want to use that to create stories that is going to attract more people because obviously they are the right people to do sprints. So I want to create stories to attract. I have a campaign already running, but I want to interweave personal stories and experiences that people had on that journey. So there are going to be two agents that you need to use and I'm going to show you how to use those. Actually, let's pop across now. Let's pop across now. So I've just been creating a video. So we want to open up the first agent. Okay, just pop the testimonial in and it's going to create feedback. It's going to create a client persona. Background, challenges, pain points, motivation and goals, emotional, practical needs, positive outcomes from sprint, blind spots. Awesome. Okay, this is exactly what I need. Now, I'm not going to read through it because I've already read through the feedback. But what I am going to do, I'm going to create stories from this feedback. Can you create a table for me? And in the table, I want you to have what the challenges were when she first started working with me, and then what the transformation is from when she's finished sprint. Make it as comprehensive as possible. Okay, the table's going to be created. Now, I'm not sure what's going on with ChatGPT, but we used to be able to do the @ sign and then pull up another agent and then use it within the same chat. I'm not sure why. It's working for some of my agents and it's not working for some of the agents. So I'm not sure what that is about. Okay, we have a group of stories here now that we can create. So I want to copy the stories because normally I would do the @ sign and then Hive. You might be able to do this, so try it. Do the @ sign and then Hive will be pulled into this conversation, and then you can get the agents working together. For some reason, over the last couple of days, it's not working. So each agent has been created to fulfill a specific task. Hive is designed to create stories. I want you to take the first story or the first topic, I should say, the first pain point, the first transformation, turn it into a story for sharing on LinkedIn. So I want to have a hook. I want to have bullet points for the challenge and the transformation. The call to action needs to lead people to sprint, needs to be in English UK. Okay, what I do want to do is I want to go back to the feedback and I just want to pick this up because ChatGPT has a really naughty habit of making testimonials up, which I hate. Okay, it's almost there. Actually, let me have a look. What you want to do is get one ready that you like, and then when you've finished with it, you want to just rinse and repeat each one. So you've got your hook, you've got what the challenge is, you've got bullet points, you've got the transformation, and you've got a call to action. So what do I want it to do, based on this copy, I want you to interweave a testimonial. Don't make it up, only take it from this copy. Turn the bullet points into emojis, but only have two different types. One for the challenges and one for the transformation. I don't want lots of different emojis. Make the heading and the hook stronger, more emotional to connect with the audience. Okay, so it's going to take you 5 minutes to figure out how it is that you want the story to be written. Testimonial. Oh, that's so annoying that you have to take these. You can ask ChatGPT to take them out, but 9 times out of 10, it doesn't do it properly. Okay, so we've got the makings of a better story here. Hook, challenge. So I've just asked, how good is this? What's missing on a scale of 1 to 10? How good is it? I feel like there's something missing. So what have we got? Stronger visualization. While the transformation is clear, adding more vivid, specific examples of what success looks like could make more relatable. Okay, call to action. The call to action is practical, but it could lean further into urgency. Yeah, headline. The current headline is strong, but could be even more emotionally charged. I agree. Okay, emotional tension in the transformation. The testimony is excellent, but could benefit from highlighting the practical pain points. Okay, why didn't you just do that in the first place? How to make it a 10 out of 10. Okay. Okay. So I'm bringing my template together of how I want these stories. Where's the heading? Overwhelmed by admin, losing precious hours on repetitive tasks while business dreams take a back seat. It's time to break free and reclaim your focus before another quarter slips away. Running your coaching or consultancy business shouldn't feel like constantly putting out the fires. Yep. The transformation. Imagine this. Testimonial. Okay. Act now. Okay, so what we want is we want take out a testimonial. Testimonial. Transformation. Challenge. With better headings. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, that's better. That's better. Okay. So I've got a format that I like now. Got a format I like. The only thing that's missing is a heading. I don't know why it hasn't done a heading. So what I'll do is I will just ask it to do a heading before the hook. So I need to get it to remove. I can't spell. Sorry. So it's meant to say controversial. It will get it. Okay. Busy work is killing you. Your coaching, busy work is killing you, your coaching business, and no one is talking about it. Okay. Why it feels so hard. So it's taken out the hook altogether. So that's my fault. Almost there. Almost there. But what's good about this is once this is done, okay, you can then just say create the second story based on how this one has been created. So this is like your template. Okay, before sprint, let me check that testimonial. Remember to check that your testimonials are real, because I have a feeling that it's slipped in. I could be wrong. I have a feeling that it slipped in a different testimonial. I only want it to use authentic testimonials, so I will check that out. So just make sure that you're checking everything when you're creating the posts. Then all I do is I copy, paste, stick it into a Google document, which then my VA takes and will put into my marketing campaign. So what I will do to accompany this is I will create an image that will be of the individual that did the testimonial, and I will post this story along with the image so it's more powerful. So I have one of these stories going out a week, 100% authentic. When I get some other feedback from Sprint participants, I'll then create other stories based on other participants. So these are 100% aligned. Just watch the testimonials. A better question might be, okay, the user stated, okay, what are we doing? Yes, the testimony in the copy is real and was delivered directly from, okay, cool, cool. So it was me. So once you've got that, okay, uh, right, second story. Right, the second story. From the notes. I should have said in the same format. I should have said in the same format, but it's done it automatically. Okay. So heading, using AI wrong is costing you more than you think. Hook, while it feels frustrating, has been Sprint revolutionized. I will change that name because I hate it. That word, I mean, because it uses it a lot. What people say, testimonial. Act now, 6 spots left. So I will do that for all of the other stories, which is great. And then what I can do, that'll be enough. That it'll create like 7 stories, which is 7 weeks worth of stories, which is more than enough. And then I can just rinse and repeat. Actually, I'm not going to give you the other layer. I'm going to leave that as it is. So it's 2 very simple steps. First of all, well, 3. First of all, you want to get your testimonial, your feedback, copy and paste it into the first agent. That will transform it into a client persona. Below that, ask for the client persona, ask the agent to turn it into the table, which is a combination of challenges and transformation. Take that table, pop it into Hive, and then ask for the first story to be created. What platform is it for? Why are you using it? You know, it might be for a newsletter, it might be for your website, it could be for a case study. There's going to be a multitude of different reasons why you might use it. This for me is for a marketing campaign to market sprints. Let it write the first post and then change it. So you've got a format that you like, and then just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Remember to check the testimonials and make sure that they are on point. You can create yourself 7 awesome stories that are absolutely unique, 100% on point, talking about your own clients' experiences that are unique. And to add another depth of layer, I'll need to go back to Debs and ask her if I can use her image to put it next to the testimonial on social media. So there'll be an image of Debs, and then there will be the testimonial of the story above. So much, much, much more powerful. And also good for her as well. So it's a win-win. Let me know if you have any questions, and I obviously would be more than happy to answer them for you. Pop them in the membership group, and if you you've got access to the agents in the spreadsheet, so you know where to get hold of them. But any questions, I'd love to know. I'd love to see what it is that you create, what stories it is that you are creating for your clients. You can even pop them below this video. That would be great. Okay, until next time, lovelies, have a great day, whatever it is that you're doing.